Hello artists. So as you can see from today's video, it's not kind of like a walkthrough tutorial, but I did still want to make a demonstration video just to kind of explain what you're going to be working on this week a little bit more in a little bit more detail than I can just type out in the Google Classroom assignment. So you are going to work on a comic strip. Now I do it in quotes, comic strip. It does not have to be funny. What this is you are going to do like sequence art. So you're going to tell a story with your art. So the first thing I did before I even drew my little story and my little characters in here is I drew out boxes, okay? So mine was a 1, 2, 3 story, just 3 little scenes, and it was all done. You can make yours as long as you need to make it to kind of get your point across and your story across, okay? So obviously I made mine about art, and I made mine about our art room. And I kind of put a little caption at the top. Peter the paintbrush tries painting, so that is my character that I invented. Here's Peter. And he says in the first one, I cannot make art, he's sad. The middle scene is, but I will keep trying, so that's his mindset, his growth mindset, just like we practice at Batavia. And then in the third scene, he didn't give up and he did it, okay? So he painted a nice painting of trees. So I just made mine, of course, art related. Yours does not have to be the same as mine. I want yours to be different. And it doesn't have to be comic. It doesn't have to be funny. But if you want to make a funny story, you absolutely can, as long as it is school appropriate. Okay, so what you're going to work on in today's class is coming up with a fun story, okay? So like I said before, start with those squares. You can invent little characters to draw out. Definitely use words. Words can kind of help guide your story if you want little captions and what they're kind of saying in there. Definitely include words, okay? When you are all done with your sketch for today, it just has to be a sketch. You don't have to color anything in. You don't have to trace anything. We will do that next week as you kind of live stream it, okay? So when I am all done, as always, I am going to sign my name at the bottom of my work so that I can tell it's your original work. Then you will take a photo using your Chromebooks and you will attach that photo right into the Google Classroom assignment for today. Make sure you hit turn in and everything is all set to go, and that is what will give you credit for today's art class, okay? So for today, you just need to kind of plan out your story, okay, and plan out your characters. If you want to write a couple comic strips, a couple different stories, that is fine too, okay? So have fun with it, and I will see you next week.